Welcome to the Ladies Christmas Gift Guide, where I am going to share gift recommendations with you that fall between the $25 and $50 price point. Earlier this week, I shared gift recommendations with you that are above the $50 price point. That is called my Luxury Christmas Gift Guide. This is my 6th year doing my Christmas Gift Guide series, which consists of 3 ladies gift guides. Again, the first one that I just shared with you, the Luxury Gift Guide. Today's video, the $25 to $50 gift recommendations, and stay tuned. Next week, I will be sharing with you the ladies' gifts that fall under the $25 price point. I also shared a men's Christmas gift guide for the 6th straight year. That has already been published as well. The Christmas gift guides that have already been published will be in the description box below this video. When the other ones come out, I will include those. I highly recommend that you click the top link in the description box below. That will direct you to the corresponding blog post, where not only will you see photos of everything that I share with you today, but you will also see and have links to click on for over 100 additional gift recommendations that fall in this price range. For each of the gift guides, there will be over 100 items for you to choose from for the loved ones in your life. In today's video, I'm only going to show 25 items, but again, there's so many more on the corresponding blog post, so be sure to check that out. Links will be in the description box below. There will be photos of what I am wearing today at the end of today's video. I will also have details with links included to this entire look. So let's get started with the 25 gift recommendations for the ladies in your life. Let me add that the prices I share with you today may not be the same as when you watch this video, so be sure to click on all of the links to see what the current price is. Leather mitten fingerless gloves for $49. These are soft leather gloves that have ribbed wool cuffs. Such a great gift and perfect for winter. I actually picked up a couple of these for a couple of loved ones. I love my leather fingerless gloves, and I have a couple people that comment on them all the time. We have a leather card holder for $49. This card holder is in a textured leather and comes in multiple colors. This is another great gift I think almost anyone would love and get a lot of use out of. In fact, I purchased one of these as well. Creative Co-op white and gray terracotta vertical stripe vase for $31. These little vases are a great gift for someone who loves interior design and shopping for home decor. These are really neutral, so I think they can work in a lot of people's homes. Mark & Graham Power Up Lighting to USB Charging Keychain for $49. This keychain has leather and suede tassels and comes with a built-in charging cable for Apple devices. It comes in yellow, Kelly green, saddle, blush, plaid, and black. You can also get this monogrammed. Inviting Interiors Coffee Table Book for $31. This book is by Melanie Turner, and what drew me to it is how beautiful the cover is. This would look so stylish on a shelf or sitting on your coffee table. Renew Catch-All Case for $30. This case is great for toiletries, makeup, traveling, you name it. It is water resistant and comes in warm quartz and black. This would be great to gift with some small gifts inside. The famous Nordstrom Moonlight Short Pajamas. I actually love these pajamas in the long pants, but you can also get them in the shirt. They are my favorite, and they always provide so many options to choose from. They're soft, cozy, and they wash up wonderfully. I cannot tell you how much I recommend these pajamas. I've talked about them in previous videos. Stanley Flip Straw Tumbler. It's a 30 ounce for $30. This tumbler has taken the internet by storm this fall. Order it now so that it can be here by Christmas. I can't stress that enough, that you need to be on top of your shopping. This tumbler is actually available in 4 colors, so get on it. Electric wine opener for $30. This rechargeable wine opener is sleek and is available in white and rose gold or black and gold. It can open 30 bottles of wine per charge. Sounds like something I could use. Digital ultrasonic multi-purpose jewelry cleaner for $49.99. This can clean all jewelry plus watches, eyeglasses, and more, and gets hard to reach places and small crevices. It includes a bottle of cleaner and a watch stand. Hammock sunglass organizer for $30. This tiered organizer is a great addition to your closet to organize all of your sunglasses or reading glasses. Marble wine cooler for $34.95. This white marble wine cooler is dual purpose and can also serve as a flower vase. The white marble is sleek and classic and would be a great accessory to any wine night. Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance Blush Palette for $45. The famous YouTube star Jaclyn Hill's blush palette from her makeup line. It's available in cool tones and warm tones with great color payoff in all matte finishes. I love, love, love this palette. For one reason, I love the cool tones because I am a cool tone beauty, and the other reason, I'm all about the mattes. Nest Holiday Candle, a favorite. The quintessential holiday scented candle. I talk about it every year and it's loved by so many. It's iconic for a reason. $44 if I didn't mention the price. Slip Silk Skinny Hair Ties for $27. These pure silk hair ties are great. They have great hold and rarely leave a crease in your hair. The silk also means less breakage and damage to your hair. The cute holiday set comes in a fun little Christmas ornament with some patterns that you can't get in any other set. Zelda frame for $28, a great picture frame gift for a girlfriend. This beautiful 5x7 frame comes in rose or pink and has great 1920s look to it. I love this set. The Capri Blue Volcano Hand Soap and Lotion Set for $38. This is a raved about scent that is bright and citrusy. The cute set not only comes in beautiful blue bottles, but also comes in a sleek gold holder. Rechargeable LED mirror with 10 times magnification for $47. A great makeup mirror that comes with a detachable 10 times magnification mirror. The LED lights are rechargeable, so it's easy to move this mirror around to different locations to get ready if needed. The Dana bracelet for $38. This mixed metal bracelet is a sleek chain link bracelet. Because it's a mix of silver and gold, it will go great with so many outfits. Calming neck wrap with heat and massage for $29.95. A great white elephant gift and just an all-around great gift for when you don't know what to get someone. This Velcro wrap for your neck has heat and massage. It's a great little pampering gift. Nordstrom Bliss Plush Throw for $39.95. A fan favorite year after year. This velour style plush throw comes in 20 colors. It's soft and cozy and has over 2,000 rave reviews. Homebody Bath Bomb Soak for $42. If you have a bath lover in your life, this CBD bath soak is a great gift. It's scented with chamomile and lemongrass and helps to ease discomfort and relax aching joints. Hopsulator Trio for $29.99. This 3-in-1 can holder can hold 12-ounce cans, 16-ounce cans, or can act like a pint glass. It comes in multiple colors and is an online favorite among influencers, a great and easy gift. Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Drops in Water Set for $42. This self-tanning set is a no-brainer for self-tanning newbies. The self-tanning water is in a spray bottle that makes it easy to tan your entire body without splotches. The drops are great to mix in your moisturizer for your face. Sephora Favorites Mini Candle Discovery Set, right at the $50 price point. This amazing set includes 5 popular candle brands, including Nest and Otherland. It also comes with a voucher to receive one of these scents as a full-size candle. It's an amazing deal. The set won't last long because it's a hot commodity, so don't miss out. There you have it, 25 amazing gifts that fall between the $25 and $50 price point for the lady in your life, or maybe pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to check out the men's Christmas gift guide with over 100 items to choose from. Don't forget to check out the ladies' luxury Christmas gift guide with those luxury gifts at over the $50 price point. There's over 100 items to choose from. Stay tuned. The under $25 gift guide is coming soon. And then this year, I am having another gift guide to present to you. It is 35 items for the tween and teen girl. These are great items. My 15-year-old daughter, Chloe, most of you know her as Pips, helped to get me in the know with what the popular items are this year. So you will want to check that out. That will be coming up next week as well. So check everything out. Links are in the description box. Check out my outfit post, links to that as well, and I'll see you soon in the under $25 gift guide.